Video ka pa.
Wow.
Wow. Kita mo kaya, makita tayo.
Flaps, oh.
Flaps, makita tayo. See?
That's river, that's.
Ay, hindi kaya ito nila mama. Pressure sa tayo.
Di ba natatapos? Ayaw. Ayaw tumigil. Ayaw pa rin tumigil. Yun. We are here now.
So right now you are at the top of the frame, 150 meters high on the 14th floor. So your right side you can see the Dubai, on your left side you can see the old city at the back. And we have smart glass in the middle, say to no sitting, no running around. Thank you so much. Exit to that. Thank you.
Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is the old Dubai, and this is the new Dubai.